Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to restore the factory settings. To do that, we have to do factory reset. Before that, please subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start the video. Now I am turning on the speaker. Before doing factory reset, I will tell you some tips how to identify that speaker is gone to factory defaults. So the speaker will turn off. Then if we start the speaker, it will go to directly Bluetooth search mode. So to do factory reset, we have to press volume up button here, this one, and play pause button, the second one here, continuously until the speaker is turned off. So now I am pressing these two buttons continuously. Speaker will go off. You can see that turn off sound. Alright, the speaker is turned off. Now I am turning on the speaker. It will go to search mode automatically. Yeah, that means the speaker has gone back to factory defaults. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.